everybody! Welcome to my first vlog. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Kung gusto nyo pang matuto, tingnan nyo ang video ko. Nandoon ang sagot sa mga dalangin nyo. Simulan na natin! Arat na! Module 1, Lesson 2, Understanding the Basic Concept in ICT. Terms and concept in ICT. First is technology. Technology refers to a mix of process and products used in application of knowledge. Second, ICT literacy. Information and Communication Technology Literacy or ICT literacy. Use of digital technology, communication tools, and or networks to access, manage, integrate, evaluate, create, and communicate information in order to function in a knowledge society. Educational technology. Educational technology refers to the use of technology in teaching and learning. It includes both non-digital and digital. The fourth one is digital literacy. Digital literacy is the ability to find, evaluate, utilize, share, and create contents using information technology and internet. It is also the ability to use information and communication requiring both cognitive and technical skills. Fifth one is digital learning. Digital learning is a type of learning that is accompanied by technology or by instructional practice that makes effective use of technology. Next is online digital tool and apps used in internet connection. Common example is Skype, a telecommunication application software product that specializes in providing video chat and voice calls between computers, tablets, mobile device via internet and regular telephones. Of digital tools and apps. It includes Canary Learning. It allows offline access for students to write homework and for teachers to grade it. eBooks KA Lite is a lightweight web application software that allows users without internet access to engage with Khan Academy videos and exercises in completely off setting. Next, instructional technology. Instructional technology is a theory that practice of design, development, utilization, management, and evaluation of the process and resources for learning. Next, software. A software refers to a program control instructions and accompanying documents stored in disks or tapes when not being used in computer. Multimedia. A multimedia is sequential or simultaneous use of variety of formats in a given presentations or self-study programs. Internet. Internet is a massive network of infrastructure. It is generally defined as a global network connecting millions of computers. World Wide Web. A World Wide Web is also called as a web is a graphical environment on a computer networks that allows you to access, view, and maintain documentations that can include text, data, sound, and vibes of the internet. Next, web access. Web access is the ability of learners to access the internet at any point during the lesson in order to take advantage of the array of available education resources. WebQuest. WebQuest inquiry-oriented lesson format This can be created using various programs including simple word processing documents that include links to websites. Productivity tools. A productivity tools refers to any type of software associated with computers and related technologies that can be used as tools for personal, professional, or classroom productivity. Next, technology tools. Technology tools is an instrument used for doing work. It can be anything that helps to accomplish your goal with the use of technology. Blog. Blog is an outline journal where posted information from both teachers and students are arranged. Three kinds include blogs for communication, blogs for instruction, and blogs for both. Wiki. Wiki, an editable website usually with limited access, allows students to collaboratively create and post written works or digital files such as photos or videos. Example is Wikipedia. Flip Classroom. Flip Classroom utilizes a reverse instructional delivery where the teacher is required to use the web resources as homework or out-of-class activity as initial instruction of the lesson, which will be discussed during class time. Podcast. Podcast is a video or audio multimedia clip about a single topic, typically in the format of radio talk show. Two basic functions or retrieve information and to disseminate information. Google Apps. Google Apps is a cloud-based teaching tool which is stored in Google server and is available for students both at home and in school. Next, blog. Blog is a video blog where each entry is posted as a video instead of the text. Next is Facebook. Facebook is popular social networking site used by students and adults worldwide to present information on themselves and to the world. Lastly, VoIP or Voice over Internet Protocol. VoIP is a category of hardware and software that enables people to use the internet as transmission medium for telephone calls by sending voice data in packets using IP rather than traditional circuit transmission.